Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sell cryptocurrency in Coinmama. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to coinmama.com. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. On the dashboard, you will see a sell option. Ensure that you have completed the verification that is required in your account. Now choose the Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency or any other cryptocurrency that you want to sell. First of all, go to the sell tab here. Now enter the amount that you want to sell and amount you want to receive from here. Now enter the wallet address in this field and double check the wallet address for accuracy. Coinmama will display a wallet address for the transaction. Open the Bitcoin wallet and send the exact amount of the provided address and wait for the blockchain confirmation. So that is how you can sell cryptocurrency in Coinmama. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.